Hi everyone, welcome to the vendor credit refund guide. We're quickly going to walk through how to create a refund from your vendor credit. So in this scenario, basically you've created a vendor credit and essentially perhaps you don't want to use it toward a future bill payment, and instead you've issued a refund from your vendor. So once you basically get that refund, you can go to the vendor credit here, just right click on vendor credit and click refund balance. And just keep in mind that you can only refund the amount after that's been applied. So basically, let's see that this vendor credit is $49 because its original amount was $49. Had $5 of it been applied to a bill payment, then you'd only be able to refund 44. So that'd be 49 minus 5. But in this case, none of it's been applied to a bill, so I can refund all of it in full. So I can just select the amount here, select the refund method, maybe it's Visa or something like that, your account, your exchange rate, your date, and so forth. You can associate it with a warehouse, put any reference numbers or memos, and then I can just click record refund, click OK. And now you can see the vendor credit has been refunded, and you can see even the status actually has been gone to refunded, and you can see the amount remaining has gone to 0. Now if I go to the vendor refund center, I can actually see that vendor refund that was created. So you can see here that this is the one that's been created. So if I double click this, I can actually see its details. I can see the transactions. If I needed to void it for any reason, I can just right click and delete it as well. So that's basically how you create vendor refunds from vendor credits and how to manage them as well.